Hi, I'm Mama Fontana and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're doing German pancakes. If this is your first time watching me, I would hope you would consider subscribing below. So we're going to get started with German pancakes. I started seeing these not too awfully long ago. It wasn't anything I made for my family when they were growing up, but all of a sudden I saw them in a restaurant and I thought, I gotta look up that recipe and try to do it. And it's not hard at all. So what we're gonna do first and foremost, I have my oven preheated to 425. And you'll see on the recipe, it says 5 tablespoons of butter. What you do with that 5 tablespoons is you put it in your pan, and now we're gonna take it to the oven and it's gonna melt while we make the ingredients. So while that's melting, we're gonna do the ingredients in a blender. First, we need 6 eggs. This is a hard one. There we go. And 2. I think it's easier doing it this way. 5 and 6. Okay, there's your 6 eggs. Now, it also calls for 1 cup of milk, a cup of flour, and it calls for 1/4 of a cup of sugar, and then a teaspoon of vanilla. That's not very many ingredients at all. Wow, this little sucker's stuck. There we go. So about a teaspoon of vanilla. Now I'm gonna make some noise. Make some noise. Here we go. Okay, so I'm gonna go check and see if that's melted. The butter has to melt in the pan, and then we're gonna pour this into the pan, and then we're gonna bake it. Now this is something different. Normally everything's 350 for the most part. This is 425. And it's gonna take about 20 to 25 minutes to cook, and then we're gonna put a little powdered sugar on it, put a little syrup on it, and it is delicious. This makes a great breakfast idea. Let's go check this out. Okay. So we have melted butter in the pan, and it's hot. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna pour it straight in here. Now we're gonna take it and put it back in the oven. See you in 25. Hi guys, welcome back. Well, here's the finished product, and a small disclaimer. I told you 425, yes, it is 425 to melt the butter. Then you need to turn it down to 350 because then it gets a little bit crusty on the edges. Still gonna be good, we're still gonna eat it, but FYI, 350 after you melt your butter so you don't get the little bit of burning. But see how it comes up and it kind of floofies up? It's still gonna be delicious. This is quite spongy, which is kind of awesome. So I always put a little bit of powdered sugar on there. And then this is homemade syrup. Yes, I made homemade syrup, and it's pretty darn good. So, drippy. Still good. So thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Remember, subscribe. We appreciate all of it. And as always, I share the love of cooking with my family. Now I share it with you. See you next time. Hi, thanks so much for watching. If you like what you saw, subscribe down here. If you want to see my latest videos or other ones, go up here. See ya.